Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a snowflake. So first we're going to start out at the top and we're going to draw two little lines like that, and then we're going to have kind of like little branches coming out the side, and then we're going to go up, and then we're going to draw a little circle like that. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and draw a little kind of like a curved line. We're going to go ahead and do that exact same pattern. So two little lines and then two little branches, and then go up, and then a little circle at the end. We're going to come around again, and we're going to have another one come out down this way. And your snowflake doesn't have to be perfect because every single snowflake is different, so don't worry about them all being the same shape and size. All right, and then we're going to have another one come down. And then down like that. And a circle at the end. We're going to come up here. Just go ahead and draw. And we can make this more round, like this. So it's more like a circle going all the way around. And I'll have another one coming out this way. And up. Little circle at the end. And then we're going to curve up here. And then we'll draw one last one right here. Little branches. And then up. And then circle at the top. All right, so for the middle, we're just gonna draw a circle in the center. Just like that. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and outline our snowflake with our black marker. So just follow over all those lines that we just drew. We've got two more to do. And our last one. Circle at the top, and then we'll go ahead and do our circle in the middle. All right, and we'll go ahead and erase all those pencil lines. And I'm just gonna leave this snowflake white because snowflakes are white, snow is white. So there's not gonna be any coloring today for this one. All right, and we go. And that's how you draw a snowflake. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.